Okay, good evening everyone. Feel good to be back for trading week. Okay, on the forecast we did mention the price could aim towards this monthly fair value gap before continuing lower. But the trade from the early of the week, which is from here, the leg itself did not respect off to continue bearish, whereby the price just took off this low and it just continued dumping lower. Okay, so 926. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do for today is I will be doing some live price action readings, and I will live forward test according with my journals in with the trades going to be taken and the analysis for XAU, the euro, the pound. Okay, so let's talk about the DXY first. Okay, first of all, what we see is the price expected to be continue lower until this monthly fair value gap. In eventually, the price did show us a very strong indication after sweep up this high. This is a sweep. Let me mark it out. Okay, the price previously was closed below this previous monthly candle low. Okay, after that, the price for the week it just pump to take out this high first, and eventually just dump all the way down here. Okay, this is the previous week low, and then eventually the price closed below this previous weekly low again. So the next target definitely is this monthly fair value gap. Once the price hit this monthly fair value gap, all of the majors could have a potential reversal turning into bearish. Okay, so we need to set an alert right here. Set an alert right here. um, monthly fair value gap. Monthly bullish fair value gap right here. Okay, once the price tap into here, we would like to see something like this happen. Okay, a swing failure, this swing failure right here, and then break off. If potentially we could retest at this area or this area of zone to continue higher off, because from the past data it is quite bullish from the dollar itself. Okay, so this is my take. It will continue bearish from here. So this is the 4-hour time frame, but since we are scalping on the New York session, we might look into after 1 hour closure right here, the building of the creation of the 4-hour fair value gap from here. This is a potential one to take off to continue lower until to target this monthly fair value gap right here. Okay, so on gold, it will just continue pump higher and higher until reach the another all-time high. This is what I see. The reason being is, first of all, what we saw this is a sweep, and then we have a very nice SMT right here. Okay, eventually the pump of this 4-hour fair value gap right here, busting in and just a go right here. This is a very beautiful trade. Potentially could be this high or ultimately at this high. Okay, so since that we missed this trade, unfortunately, but it's okay. The price should have respect the bearish side of this leg, but the price failed to do so. The moment the price closed above this high, anything in between this range is good to enter off in this range. So it will definitely to be looking like something like this. Like this. You see, the pattern is exactly the same. So let me do a deep down. Potentially this fair value area won't come back anymore. Let me see. This should be a breakaway gap. But entering off it right now is a bit risky because this low could be a liquidity area. This will be the fair value area to enter off. Do we have news later? Let me check. On 5th of March. Let's see Forex Factory. On Tuesday we have nothing. Probably could be a consolidation for the night. I think we have a very nice SMT right here. Oh, this is not valid. Let's see if the price will come back this low or not. Targeting the engineer liquidity right here. This seems respecting, so potentially price could go up something like this way. But since the leg is failed to hold, this is most likely is not going to hold anymore. It will just continue going lower right here, BE point. Ờ, chiều dạo liệu tiền The price really has tapped into the PE point. So currently is risk-free trades. Okay, price could just continue lower right here, at least to this equal low. Let me see if this low 53 pip. Okay, TP1 has been hit. Okay, let me mark it out. So the TP1 is 8 point. This one is how much? 18.02. 53.9 pips. Point 22. Will we hit? Okay, it should be tapping our TP2. Okay, moving my trailing stop to this high. Okay, all TP has been met. Very nicely done. So basically what we done it right is we gain about how much? The minimal lot size right here is 0.01. We gain about $12.60 right here. This is how you grow small account. We aim for the smaller one. We cash the right recent trade, because I know like everyone will be saying um these are the like lower high lower low. These wasn't it an uptrend? Like, yes, it is an uptrend, but eventually the price from this from this low itself, the price failed to break higher and came back down and sweep. Then eventually it swept the high and then continue lower, broke off this low. So what does it indicate? What does it indicating? Which means the price once intends to go lower, but however this bullish leg from here, it will be a little bit suspicious for us to short it from here. So what do we do next is we wait until this low broken right here. Okay, and somehow we find a 15-minute fair value gap right here and we enter it off from this high itself. I know this bullish engulfing candle is a bit suspicious, but we trust the trend, we trust the setup and everything. So this is how we do. And how do I set the TP1 TP2? According, I'm using the standard deviation. So let's say from this high to this low is the leg that we want it to be broken, and the retest zone will be our entry, and then our SR is right here, and we aim 1 is to 2. But however, I saw this equal low right here at this 2.5, so that's why I set it at here. Okay, so I believe so the price could just continue lower until this equal low from a higher time frame, equal low liquidity area right here, about 2911. So from that point of view, we will be seeing a continuation lower to this 2911. Okay, and then to continue lower, I think that shouldn't be a problem. It is a very good session for a live back I would say a live forward test. It's all recorded, not a hindsight thing. um, I did mention if the price just broke off this high, it could just continue higher. From an earlier video, you can see how the live analysis is. So the price is definitely indicating it is going to be continuing lower. You see how the price respected off from this 5-minute fair value gap. The price eventually just stick in and literally I would say zero drawdown right here to continue lower off. Okay, let me take a screenshot for the trade for the day. Okay, Okay, most likely that will be all for today catch. Just securing the profit, and I'll see you guys soon. Maybe probably tomorrow or Thursday. Okay. Hope everyone have a good night, and I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.